Namaskar. We all know that ghee and olive oil, they are healthy things and they should be part of our life. But which one holds more benefit? Are they same or similar in benefits? Today we will find out which one is better. First, let's explore what ghee and olive oil are and how they benefit us. Ghee, also known as clarified butter, has been a staple in Indian households for centuries. When it comes to Ayurveda, ghee is given a lot of importance and viewed as an ojas booster. Ojas is the essence that sustains life, vitality, and immunity in our body. It is also said to have a tridoshic effect, meaning it balances three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. They can be balanced if consumed in an appropriate amount. Ghee is packed with saturated fat and has a high smoke point. This means that it's perfect for cooking at high temperature, like frying and sauteing. Besides this, ghee contains various fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, which are essential for various functions in our body. In our Indian tradition, ghee is not just a cooking medium but also a cultural thing. Many families still make fresh ghee at their home using traditional methods. It carries forward legacy of health and flavor. Now let's talk about olive oil. It is extracted from olives and is well known for being a heart healthy due to its monounsaturated fat. Olive oil comes from the Mediterranean region. It might not be native to India, but it has found a place in our kitchen because of its health benefits. Olive oil doesn't always pair well with our traditional dishes. It is more suited for continental or Mediterranean cuisines. However, olive oil has a lower smoke point than ghee, especially extra virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil is cold pressed and not meant for cooking at high temperature. Instead, it can be drizzled over salads or used as a dip. It's also great for making salad dressings. So when it comes to your daily intake, our body needs more saturated as well as unsaturated fat. The key here is balance. I recommend taking 1 to 2 teaspoonful of ghee and 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day. Be aware that ghee as well as olive oil has unique role in our diet. And these aren't the only sources of fat in your diet. So be mindful of other fat-based foods like nuts, seeds, and other dairy products. Both ghee and olive oil have a rightful place in our diet and each bring unique benefit. Enjoy them in moderation and choose the one that suits the best for the dish you are preparing. Namaskar.